In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some basic features in Squarespace with ease. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, this guide will help you make quick and efficient changes to your website. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Squarespace. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log into your account if you haven't already. It's important to make sure your login details are kept secure and that you're using a reliable internet connection for optimal performance. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace dashboard, the central hub where you can access all your site building tools and resources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first visit. This will make the process smoother as you go along. Now, look for the option labeled Website. This is typically found within the menu bar or side panel. Click on Website to proceed. This will take you to a page displaying all your created pages and sections. Here you can make selections based on what part of your website you wish to edit or update. The clarity of the user interface is one of Squarespace's strong suits, so feel free to explore and click around if you're curious about any features. Just be sure to save your work regularly if you make any changes. Once you've located the part of your site that you'd like to edit, you can click directly on the segment. This quick action should reveal an option that says Edit section. Click that and you'll be brought into the editing mode, a versatile arena where you can customize and personalize to your heart's content. This is where you'll find the anchor link feature. This tool allows you to create links that guide visitors to specific spots on your page, making navigation seamless and user-friendly. Simply input your desired text for the anchor link, ensuring it's clear and relevant to the content it directs to. And just like that, you're done. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully made edits to your Squarespace website. It's always a good idea to preview your site after making changes to ensure everything appears as intended and functions correctly. Also, remember that updates can take a moment to go live, so a little patience might be required as you finalize your edits. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage and enhance your Squarespace website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel empowered to continue exploring and utilizing all the excellent features Squarespace offers. Thank you for tuning in and happy site editing.